Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can add privacy policy in Squarespace. So once you're here on your website editor, as you can see here, go to the left side menu, and here just need to select on Pages. So once you click on that, then from here go to the non-link section, and then click on the plus icon, and then we're going to choose Page Layouts. Now from here, you'll then need to scroll down and find the privacy policy button. So click on it. And then you just have to choose the templates or any templates here that you want to use to your website. For example, this one here. So there you go. Now we can basically change and name this as a privacy policy and then go to this page. So if you want to rename this one, so just have to select and click on the gear icon, which is the settings. And then here you can basically edit the page title, the navigation title, and the URL title. So there you go. Now here you can basically edit the title and the text right here according to your website needs. And then once you've done, all you need to do here is go to the home section right here at the bottom. So if you want to add the privacy policy to your footer, so here just need to scroll down and find the footer section. So there you go here, and then we can basically click on the edit button right here at the top right. So here you just have to click on edit the footer or edit site footer and then click add block and then select on text. Now here I'm going to type privacy policy. And then I'm going to change the color to into white. Then I'm going to place it right from here and then change the alignment also. So click this title or highlight this one and select the middle. So there you go. Now again, highlight this privacy policy text, then click on the get link button and then select on the URL from the drop down menu. And then here, you just have to select the page, which is a privacy policy. And then you can enable this open link in new tab. So here, as you can see, once somebody click on privacy policy, then they will be redirected to the page where we have just created. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.